Welcome to the VidGram Studio training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to manage your messages in the My Video Messages section in VidGram Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Video Messenger. Now go to Manage Messages. Now you are in the My Video Messages section. Here you can preview your message. Share and embed your message. Download your message. Edit your message. You can change the title and description of your message. You can change the player setting and logo, etc. You can also control the video message player visibility of your message. By disabling this feature you can hide your video. Thanks for watching the video.